Hello, Ederson Oliveira here for DNNHero.com. Today I'm going to be talking about a module called Simple Redirect Module for DotNetNuke. This module was built by Will Stroll, who works at DNN Corp. This is an open source module, and it's a very simple, very straightforward module as well. And it's free. That's a great thing. So here's what I've done. I have downloaded this module already. I have installed it on my test site. This is a DNN615. And we're going to go through the first and I would say best use case for this module, which would be to redirect the homepage of your site to the root of your site. Let's look at here what am I talking about. So this is a default installation of DNN6, and the first page that comes up in this installation is the Getting Started. So here's the Getting Started page. Now, maybe we want the root page, the home page of the site, to always go to the main domain without any page extension. So that's what we're gonna be using this module for. This module is already installed. Installation is pretty straightforward. Now, I have to add the module to this page. Let's do that right now. Let's go to modules, all categories, and under module drop down, let's find the simple redirect. Let's add to the page. Okay, so the module was added. Here is the simple redirect. You don't need to hide this module as the message says. Let's go to manage redirects, and let's click on add new redirect to create a new redirect rule. So redirect from getting started to the root of our site. So let's save this redirect and let's return to our page. So now if I click on getting started, the page comes up, but you no longer see the getting started.aspx page. It's redirecting as it should be. Now here is another redirect that we may want to, another redirect rule that we may want to set up as well, which is the /default.aspx. If we type in that page will come up and you see that the page extension and page name, they stayed there. So let's create another rule. Let's go to manage redirects, and let's add another rule. By the way, don't forget to add http semicolon / because otherwise it won't work. So again, let's redirect from default.aspx to the root as well. And let's save this. Let's return to the module, and as you can see, the default is going to the root as it should be. So now we have set up those two redirects, which I would say is the best use case for this module. Now you need to keep a few things in mind. The module is case sensitive. So if I type in default.aspx in small letter, the default will stay there. Here's a little problem that I found with this module. Again, I'm not sure if there is a solution, but I just want to highlight. If we go to, let's try to create another rule for the lowercase version of the default page. Let's give it a try here. Manage redirects, add a new rule. So we're gonna go from the lowercase to the root, and let's save this. Let's go back to the module. And now we have a problem. So if I close this, it's trying to redirect, and my guess is that this is looping. So I'm getting that. So here's the problem. If you do a wrong redirect, or a redirect that will end up in a page that doesn't exist, or something like this, you are pretty much stuck, because you cannot access the page that you have the module on it. So how can you fix that? Well, my advice is this. If you want to give a shot on the module and maybe you are, maybe just getting started or something like that, you need to find a way to get to the backend of your website and go to the SQL to admin. Let me just copy this. You have to go make sure that you can still go to host SQL. And then from here, you can have a look at this table, and I'm gonna write that down in the video post. If you look at the records of this table, select all from this table, you're gonna see all the rules there. So actually, you can just delete this rule, or you can delete everything. So if you know SQL, it's up to you, but I'm just gonna delete everything from this page. So I have a clean slate here. Actually, run as a script, delete everything. Now, after deleting, the problem will still be here because we have to restart the site. We also have to go to host settings, and we have to restart the application to make sure that all data is out of cache. So again, I'm just restarting the application, and now I should be able to go back to my home page. So again, be careful. If you are redirected to the wrong page, you need to delete that entry from that table. Now, the second use case that I want to show is when we actually have a new page that will replace an existing page, and it has a new URL, a new name. Let's give an example here. Let's say that right now we have this About Us page, and let's say that we want to create a new page called About Our Company. So let's just go here to Pages, add. This page will be called About Our Company. It will be at the end. Let's say after home. Permission will be visible to everybody. It will be on the menu, and let's add this page. Okay, so we have the old About Us and the new About Our Company. So first thing here is that, of course, we will take this out of the menu, the About Us. But before we do that, we have to add the simple redirect module to the About Us page. So let's go to Modules, All Categories, Simple Redirect. Let's add to the page. Okay, so it's added. Now we're gonna create a new rule that says redirect from About Us, redirect to About Our Company. So let's save this redirect. Let's go back. And now, anytime that we click on About Us, or any incoming links that used to point to About Us, will be automatically redirected to About Our Company. Now, the good thing is that this is a 301 redirect, which tells Google and search engines in general that the page was permanently redirected to that new page. So eventually, this page, this About Us page, will drop from search engines, and they will just disconsider that and use About Our Company instead. But keep in mind one thing is that existing links, forget about search engines for a second, existing links from other websites that are pointing to your About Us will still exist, will still be there, unless you go on each one of those and ask them to change them for you. So most likely, by using a module like this, you still need to keep your old pages there. Of course, you're gonna remove it from the menu. And by the way, now that we have a redirect, the only way is by going to Page Management, then click on About Us, and select actually unchecked, including the menu, and update this. Okay, so it will no longer be in the menu, and the redirect will be working. But again, you have to keep the old page, otherwise the redirect will not happen. Okay, so again, a free, simple module that does a good job for redirecting, either your home page to the root of your site, or an old page that needs to redirect to a newer page. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you very much and bye.